Dear Mom, thanks for the wool socks and helping me out with that Wastenot item. Dave keeps bugging... Oh, hi, Dave. How you doing?
Hey, Mike, it's item time.
Item time. Oh, yeah. Well, this week I decided to take out the old research cam and hit the pavement to find out what the people want to know about waste and garbage.
In other words, another researcher home movie.
Come on, Dave. This is a production. And yet another installment of Ask Wastenot.
So why can't I put light bulbs and broken drinking glasses in the blue box? Isn't glass glass?
That's a good question. True, all glass is related, but your light bulb, your drinking glass, your honey jar is made from a slightly different glass recipe to give them slightly different properties.
They don't go together?
Well, that's the problem with different types of glass. When they have to recycle them, they have to bring them back, put them in the furnace. Now, different glasses have different melting points. So what you end up with is a honey jar with chunks of light bulb in it. Not too pretty and not too safe either.
What's that triangle thing on the bottom of plastics? Does it mean that it's made from recycled material, or can it be recycled? And why are there different numbers?
Well, that little symbol is part of the plastics industry recycling coding system. The little number represents the different resins. A 2, for example, is high-density polyethylene. The chasing arrows, well, they really don't mean anything. They don't mean the package is made from recycled plastic or that it's recyclable necessarily.
So why do we have that code then?
Well, it was all part of a scheme to help workers at the material recovery facilities sort the different plastics when they come in. Unfortunately, it's been a source of confusion for a lot of consumers, and the plastics industry is currently rethinking the whole scheme.
Yeah, number 7, other.
The best thing to do is check with your municipality to find out which plastics are accepted.
What should I do with my used household batteries? Is that what you want me to say, dear?
Stop. Yes, household batteries. What do you do with them? Well, many of us, and you know who you are, put household batteries out in the regular trash. Now, what's wrong with that? Well, many batteries contain things called heavy metals, which can be toxic at certain levels. Now, the fear is these batteries will find their way into the dump and leak the heavy metals into the groundwater and Lord knows where else.
So what do you do with them?
Well, you should take them to a household hazardous waste depot or a battery depot.
Yeah, what do they do with them?
Well, they put them in something called a secure landfill, which is especially designed to hold hazardous waste.
Yeah, I know. I got a bag I've been saving for 3 years full of dead batteries. I keep forgetting to take it to the depot.
Well, why don't you just use rechargeable batteries, Dave?
Well, they don't work, Mike, especially the nickel-cadmium ones anyway. They have a lower cell voltage, so the alleged 9-volt one only has 7.5 volts in it, and it won't work that radio mic you're wearing. Yeah. So that was the pulse of the people, huh? Yeah, it was more like the pulse of 2 of your friends and your mother.
Well, come on, Dave. My mother is a member of the general public with valid waste concerns. I mean, she supports me in the work I do.
Okay.